Hello, my name is Kylie Sullivan and I'm a health compliance officer in the town of Arlington. When not properly maintained, compost bins and gardens can become food sources for rodents. Here are some tips to ensure that your compost bins and gardens are not contributing to rodents in town. Tumbler composting bins are most effective at preventing rodent activity because they are off the ground, preventing rodents from burrowing into your compost. When using a ground compost bin, make sure that the bin has a sturdy bottom, sides, and cover so that it does not allow for rodent access. Fortify your compost bin with wire mesh or hardware cloth. Remember to not put food waste in open compost bins, and also remember to never put meat, bones, fat, dairy, or animal waste in any compost bin. Odors from these products attract rodents. If you see evidence of rodent activity near your compost, discontinue your composting practices. But don't worry, there are great alternatives to home composting, such as curbside compost pickup or the town's Feed Fido compost drop-off program. When gardening, use raised garden beds with a solid bottom and siding. This will prevent rodent burrowing into your garden. Remove ripened or low-hanging vegetables or fruit so that rodents are not attracted to your garden. It's important to regularly inspect your compost or garden for rodent activity and make any necessary changes to remove rodent attractants from your property. Stay tuned for the last video on rodent inspections in your home.